You guys rate my squishies. Some of them. First, the dinosaur. Next, the slug. The Kool-Aid Man. The fake dumpling. The cheese. With my new nails. Like this video, and if you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe. Next, this orange ball thing. It feels better than a needle, honestly. Next, the donut. The strawberry. Next, my butter. And then my favorite squishy, the duck. He's so glossy and so like squishy. Thanks for watching. Bye.